Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the SYBO Professional Commercial Blender, a powerful and versatile kitchen tool designed for both home and restaurant use. With its sleek black finish, a unique 4D blade system, and a soundproof enclosure, this blender promises to deliver high-performance blending with minimal noise. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The SYBO Professional Blender boasts a 48-aughts pitcher, which is perfect for everything from smoothies and shakes to more complex recipes like salsas, sauces, and purees. It's built with an 8-blade 4D system that operates at an impressive 28,000 RPM, making it well-suited for heavy-duty tasks like crushing ice or handling thick, dense mixtures. The noise-reducing shield is a standout feature, offering a more peaceful blending experience in environments where sound can be a concern, whether that's in a bustling cafe or in your home kitchen. Plus, it comes with a self-cleaning function, which means fewer maintenance headaches after a long day of blending. When it comes to real-world usage, setting up the SYBO blender is a breeze. It's clear that this is a commercial-grade appliance, so it feels sturdy right out of the box. The pitcher is large enough to make multiple servings at once, which is a huge advantage for anyone who's preparing food for a crowd. Whether you're blending frozen fruits for a smoothie, chopping nuts for a sauce, or crushing ice for a cocktail, the SYBO doesn't hesitate to get the job done. During testing, I put it through its paces with ice cubes, frozen berries, and even harder ingredients like nuts and seeds. And the results were consistently smooth. No chunks, no lumps. While the blending power is undeniable, it's also important to talk about noise. A common pain point for many high-speed blenders is the volume they produce. With the SYBO, however, the soundproofing is immediately noticeable. It's not completely silent, but it's definitely quieter compared to other commercial blenders I've tested in the same class. For small businesses like coffee shops or restaurants, this is a significant plus, as it minimizes the disruption to the ambience. As for performance, this blender handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. The 28,000 RPM speed is more than enough to pulverize even the toughest ingredients. The 4D blade system is particularly effective at creating a smooth, consistent texture. However, there's one small downside. When blending particularly thick mixtures, like peanut butter or dense protein shakes, it can struggle a bit if you don't add a little liquid to help things along. But that's something to expect with most high-speed blenders when tackling such demanding tasks. One of the more notable aspects of the SYBO blender is its build quality. The pitcher is durable and resistant to wear, while the body of the machine feels robust. It's clear this product was designed with commercial kitchens in mind, where durability and performance are key. And it shows. This isn't a flimsy, consumer-grade blender. It's built to handle daily heavy use. Now, as for the pros, the SYBO Professional Blender is tough to beat when it comes to blending power. The 8-blade 4D system is efficient, and the machine excels in breaking down tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and even fibrous vegetables. It also offers that valuable noise-reducing feature, which sets it apart from many other high-speed blenders on the market. The self-cleaning feature is a time saver, especially in busy environments. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons to keep in mind. While the blending performance is fantastic, you do need to add some liquid when dealing with thicker blends. Without this, the blender can struggle a bit, and that can be a deal breaker for those who want to make dense recipes without fuss. Also, the machine is on the larger side, which may be a consideration if counter space is limited. It's not the most compact option out there, so it's best suited for those who need a blender that can handle larger batches. In terms of value for money, the SYBO blender is priced to reflect its professional-grade capabilities. It's definitely on the higher end, but when you consider the build quality, powerful motor, and noise-reducing features, it's easy to see why. If you're running a cafe, restaurant, or bar, it could easily pay for itself by improving the efficiency of your kitchen. For home users who want to replicate a commercial experience, the investment might be worth it as well. But for those on a tighter budget, you might find similarly priced models that offer decent power, though not necessarily the same durability or noise reduction. When comparing the SYBO blender to other professional-grade blenders on the market, it holds its own. For example, the Blendtec and Vitamix offer similar blending power, but at a higher price point, often without the added benefit of noise reduction. On the other hand, some lower-end models may be cheaper, but struggle with the heavy-duty performance or noise control that the SYBO handles so well. Build quality is definitely one of the strengths of the SYBO blender. It's constructed with long-term use in mind, and I have no doubt it would stand up to the rigors of a busy kitchen. The 4D blade system ensures even results, and the motor runs cool, which is essential when you're blending for extended periods. There's little concern about wear and tear, and while I haven't had it long enough to fully test its longevity, the design and materials suggest it will hold up well over time. While I didn't personally need to use customer support, SYBO's reputation for offering strong after-sales service is worth mentioning. They provide 24/7 support, which can be incredibly reassuring for business owners who rely on their equipment daily. The ability to reach a dedicated support team whenever issues arise is a nice touch, adding to the overall peace of mind when purchasing. In conclusion, the SYBO Professional Commercial Blender is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for high-end performance, especially in a commercial or semi-professional setting. It excels in blending power, noise reduction, and durability. However, its size and the occasional need to add liquid for thicker blends may be something to keep in mind. If you're after a blender that combines the power of commercial equipment with the convenience of quieter operation, this one's hard to beat. Thank you for watching. If you've already used the SYBO blender or have questions, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Goodbye till next time. Stay blended.